Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good too. Yeah, it's been a while since I could post any of my I recommend videos, but I'm back here, and it's not that I'll be doing this every day, but whenever I feel like, and yesterday I feel like posting a video, small video for all of you. So today I'll be talking about two incredible Indian homegrown brands which I've been trying and testing on myself for quite some time now, and I'm very happy with the results. And before we dive into the video, I also want to mention here that Indian economy and Indian brands have far more potential only if you and I recognize them. Today I want to talk about face washes and face cleansers, which are a part of our daily lives. We can't do without them. And my first product will be this Forest Essentials Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. And I had been introduced to this product 2-3 years ago when I visited the Forest Essentials store in Lucknow for the first time. And this is such a wonder product. It's a luxury brand. Of course, the price range is a bit on a higher side, but it's worth the bet because this is such a beautiful face wash. It cleanses, it mattifies the skin, leaving it very soft and supple, and even the sensitive skin people can use it without any problem, and there is no irritation, no sort of dryness after you use it. And it's incredible. So please use it and let me know how you feel about it. My second product of the day is this from Mkifin Naked and Raw face wash. So this I've been like using it past 4 weeks, more than 4 weeks now, and I'm pretty happy with the results because it's again the first caffeinated personal care product range made in India, and my mantra these days is vocal for local. So definitely you will love it, but only one like it is a strange thing about this product is that since it's a caffeinated Indian caffeinated personal care product, but I personally like coffee. I just love it. I can't do a single day without having 3 to 4 cups of coffee, but this certainly doesn't have a coffee fragrance in it. It smells like those Archie's perfumes which we used to take buy way back from for our friends' birthdays, and we used to gift them. So it has that kind of a smell, but nonetheless it's a very thick. It's very thick. It's just the consistency is just like honey, and you need to mix it with a lot of water and then massage your face for at least. I have always said this, that if we are using a face wash, we should massage the face wash at least for 60 seconds and then wash our face, not before that. Yeah, more of rubbing, more than 60 seconds of rubbing will definitely make the skin very dry. So at least rub it for not rub, just gentle massage on the face for 60 seconds and then wash, and then you can watch out the results yourself, and then you can just go ahead and like do the other beauty regimen for the entire day. So yeah, please check it out. It's a wonderful product, very thick, but you need a lot of water to just gentle massage it on this face, and you can just you are done for the day. It leaves your skin very shiny, bright, and I personally recommend this again and again. It's very good. So today's recommendations are this Forest Essentials. This is if we talk about the cost, it's little on a higher side, but since I just fell short of the 200 ml bottle, they have different variances in it, but this one is personally my favorite, and it works for every skin type. And I had actually to just order this 50 ml travel bottle because they ran out of stock of the 200 ml, but that is more cost effective because just 2 to 3 drops you will be needing to wash your face, and which stays for many months. And even this is very cost effective because it is a regular morning and evening wash kind of a thing, and just a little bit, because it's very thick in consistency, just a little bit with a lot of water to massage on the face, and then after that you can just go ahead with any sort of a toner or a moisturizer. But these two are highly I recommend. I will definitely give it a go. They are wonderful products, and you also please use it and let me know about how you feel about them. And so it's a wrap for the day today. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, enjoy a lovely beauty regiment weekend, and love you all. Bye bye. Have a great weekend ahead.